Ekulumeni pheze ethethema owamathathu ngaphambi kwebandla lamajaji, ijaji uMjabuliseni Madondo uhlathululele ihlangothi lakhe wahlalisa kuhle incwadi yakhe i-Revelation of God's Plan ngokutsho kwejaji uMeta udzubhule emhlolweni kaZimu iBhayibheli.
I said to myself, I have to review this section and see if I can be able to bring some clarity to bear on it and try to put it in its proper context and perspective. Because the way it was interpreted was not the way, is not what I intended to convey. That concerned me much to such an extent that I was accused of being homophobic.
Madondo uqothele isikhundla sikaMengameli wamajaji ekhotho ephakemeko yaKwaZulu Natal High Court. Ngaphandle kwemhlolo yakhe le engaphandle kwezobulungiswa, Madondo ubuye wabuzwa nangendaba yokuthi sewubandamela ekuthatheni umhlala phasi ngomnyaka ozayo ngoSinyikhaba. Lokhu kutsho ukuthi nangabe uzabe aqatshwe ngoTjhirhweni womnyaka ozayo uyokusebenza inyanga ezili-11 kwaphela. Umqozululi wezepolitiki uthe ngokhunye nakho ekufuze ngathana kuvulelwa amehlo.
It wouldn't be the wisest to not consider the fact that he's retiring in 11 months. And we've heard the type of questions that the JSC has been posing to judges in these leadership roles, or for instance, the ones that applied for other judge president roles or the SCA. You know, there are questions about leadership, a commitment to transformation.
Madondo uphalisana namanye amajaji amabili waboma, ijaji uPhotho Dlwathi nejaji uStein.